Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. This is a quick review about this product right here. It's two products actually, but I wanted to share these two together because together they are amazing. So first of all, this is an Egyptian brand. So if you are living in Egypt, this where you're gonna find it. I don't know if you're gonna find it outside Egypt, but it's basically in Egypt. It's an Egyptian brand and I'm so proud. I'm so happy with this. So this brand or this stuff called Mood. Okay, it's from Al Cosmetics, as you can see, and I have two products from this brand. Actually, this one have like the shower gel and the body milk and the hand wash. I have only the two, and I have another one like another scent. I think they have four different scents, but this one is the most amazing scent in the whole four. It's amazing. I love it so much. So I tried this from a really long time ago, like from months ago, and I am in love with these two together. Shower gel, the scent of the shower gel is so amazing. Actually, it gave me a lot of leather from a very small amount, and as you can see, I use it every time and I still have a lot of it because I don't use much, and it gave me a lot of leather and it gave my body the most amazing scent and give my body like the softness that I really want. So I really love it so much. It's called Hawaii and it's amazing and looks so beautiful, really beautiful. I love it so much. It's in shea butter, coconut, aloe vera, and what? I can see the last one. So as you can see, this is what it's on the back. It's really amazing. I am in love with this shower gel when I want really to like chill out and just like pamper myself. I use this one with the body cream or the body milk. The body milk is kind of new, but it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. And as you can see, I'm gonna open it for you. And as you can see, I use a lot of it, but still have a lot left. And the scent is kind of, I can't describe it, but it's kind of like fruity and have a scent of roses in it. It's heaven. It's really heaven. I really love it so much, and it's so thick. Like a small amount goes a long way, and it gave my body with the shower gel the most amazing scent. I love it so much, and it stays like the whole day. It's amazing. So I wanted to announce about these brands because it's, first of all, it's Egyptian. I'm so proud of it. And the second thing, it really smells so good. So if you are in Egypt, if you live in Egypt, try these products. I swear by them, you will fall in love with them. It's amazing. We really love cold Hawaii, and you'll be in Hawaii. So this is for this quickie review. I really hope you like it, and of course, as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I love you so much. See you soon. Bye.